So halimbawa, ikukita ning the fifth root of the square root of 2 over x cubed. Inot, imumultiply ta siya sa denominator nganing maging perfect nth root ining product ang duwa. 5 ang index igdi, kay ponta ining exponent 2 nganing 3 plus 2 equals 5. So ang product niya would be the fifth root of x to the fifth. And ini po, that's a perfect nth factor. So ang result niya is x. Pero pag nag-multiply ka kaining value ini, dapat iyo man ang gibon mo duman sa taas. Nganing, a number divided by itself is 1. So effectively, you are just multiplying by 1. And any number multiplied by 1 is the number. So we are not changing the value of the expression. We are just changing the form. Iguana kita ning fraction times a fraction, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Pag pares po ang index ninda 5, ining sa laog, i-multiply lang 2x squared. Copy the common index. Ini pong sa baba, sabi ta, ang value niya is x. So, yun na po ning x. And marisa po nido, na mayo na siya ning radical sa denominator. Yan na po ang sa to yung simbag.